Chucky Slick. Summer 2012, right around the corner. I had to switch the grind up on this one. Put a smile on your face and grab a cold one. Turn it up. Feel it.
Man, I love the summertime in San Diego. Come party with me. It's summertime in San Diego. We gon' hit the beach. It's summertime in San Diego. Just feel the breeze. It's summertime in San Diego. Come party with me.
The weather is beautiful, ice cold brew. I prefer Keystone because the mountain's always blue. Catch me at the beach cracking jokes with my crew. Rest in peace, Tyler Snoke, all the homies miss you. It's another great day in the sunny west to become the hungriest. Do the honeys love me? Yes, laid back with my money on my mind and my mind on my money. I do not got time for dummies. I'm just trying to relax, laid back on the west coast. Party with my people, maybe spit a fresh flow. They say I'm next, bro. Well, that would be cool. For now, I'm with my homies, laid back at the pool, just sipping on Coronas with my feet all in the water, cracking jokes with all the bitches, getting pictures from your daughter. Windows down in the whip, straight cruising. San Diego is amusing. It's a beautiful day, Padres ain't losing. Toes in the sand with a breeze so soothing. It's like 70 degrees with a heavenly breeze. I need a melody, please.
It's summertime in San Diego.